U.S. consumer prices accelerated at the fastest pace since 1990, so that's more than 30 years. A jump of 6.2% in October compared to last October, amid surging prices for food, gas, and housing. And by comparison, there was a spike of 5.4% in September. Now, from September to October, a gain of 0.9%, and that's the highest month-over-month increase since June. Doug Porter, the chief economist at the Bank of Montreal, says we could see 7% in November, and some also suspect that this data could move up plans to hike interest rates in the U.S. next year. Now, we did see markets pull back after the release of this data. The losses a little steeper stateside. The TSX did hit an all-time high, but again today it was not convincing. Shares in Rivian started trading in the U.S. today. This is the electric truck maker, which could provide some hardcore competition to Tesla. The IPO price on Rivian was $78 a share. It opened at $106.75. This is seen as the biggest IPO since Alibaba in the U.S. That happened in 2014. Now, Linamar provided a lift to Bay Street today. The Canadian auto parts manufacturer reported earnings. Sales came in above expectations, and the company also hiked its dividend and launched a share buyback program. But offsetting that on Bay Street, oil took a hit. We did see strength in the U.S. dollar, plus American inventory report did show a build in crude supplies last week. And you could call this a Canadian match made in heaven.
Have a seat. We have some coffee for you. Justin, you know you've always loved Tim's.
Obsessed.
Justin Bieber is teaming up with Tim Hortons to launch 3 new Timbit flavors called Tim Biebs, along with co-branded merchandise. A retail analyst says it's a marketing strategy that could attract new and younger customers, and it could also help Tim Hortons build brand awareness in the U.S., where the restaurant chain faces stiff competition from the likes of Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks. Now, the partnership aligns with the Canadian singer's frequent social media posts about the chain. Details on the merchandise expected in the coming weeks, and there is no word on how much money changed hands. In the CityNews Business Center, I'm Kris McCusker.